In this video, we'll talk about how to add Bluetooth to PC on Windows 11. Step 1. Check if your PC already has Bluetooth. Right-click on Start. Select Device Manager. Check if your Bluetooth showing up in here. If you don't see, that means Bluetooth is not installed. Step 2. Enable Bluetooth in Windows 11. Click on Start, Open, Settings. On the left, click on Bluetooth and Devices. Turn Bluetooth on. If there is no Bluetooth switch, follow our next methods. Step 3. Add external Bluetooth. Right-click and open any browser. Copy-paste the following link I have mentioned in the description and press Enter. Simply buy TP-Link USB Bluetooth adapter. And I don't think so. It's expensive. You simply have to plug it and follow our step 2. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.